Welcome to WealthWalk, where we explore innovative ways to boost your income. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that lets you earn money by doing something you probably already do every day: watching YouTube videos. Imagine getting paid just for signing up to a website. Well, that's exactly what happened when I created an account on this platform. My balance instantly showed $5, simply for joining. But that's just the beginning. Let me walk you through how this works. There's a series of YouTube videos on this site, each paying you for watching them. The first video, for instance, pays 61 cents for just 34 seconds of your time. The second video offers another payout, as does the third, fourth, fifth, and so on. We'll be exploring all of these videos today, and you'll see how the earnings add up with each one you watch. This isn't just a one-time thing either. You can earn money every single day by watching YouTube videos through this platform. And don't worry about how to cash out your earnings. I'll cover that in detail later in this video. One of the best things about this opportunity is its global accessibility. No matter where you are in the world, there are videos for you to watch and earn from. Plus, there's a withdrawal option that works for every country. So, stick with me until the end of this video to get all the details you need to start earning. For those of you who are new to WealthWalk, let me introduce myself. I'm passionate about finding and testing legitimate ways to make money online. My goal is to share these methods with you so you can replicate the process and potentially achieve similar results. Before we dive deeper, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to WealthWalk, and turn on notifications. This way, you'll never miss out on our latest money-making tips and strategies. Now, let's take a closer look at how this platform operates. It's designed to help you earn money by watching new videos online. You're essentially getting paid to do something many of us do for free every day: watch YouTube videos. There are actually two ways to earn on this platform. 1. Watching videos. This includes commercial ads, movies, TV shows, and of course YouTube videos. 2. Referring friends. When you invite someone who signs up, you instantly earn $1, and your friend gets $5 for joining. The best part? You can withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account, PayPal, or through other methods we'll discuss shortly. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly simple. First, head to the website and click on Get Started. You'll be taken to a sign-up page where you'll enter basic information like your name, birthday, gender, email address, and create a password. After verifying you're not a robot, click Create Account, and you're in. Once you've set up your account and logged in, you'll see your $5 sign-up bonus already credited. Now, let's start earning more by watching videos. Click on the first available video. You'll notice a countdown timer. All you need to do is watch for 34 seconds. Once the timer hits 0, click Complete, and boom, 61 cents is added to your balance. It's that easy. After watching the first video, there's typically a 24-hour cooldown before the next one becomes available. But don't worry, there are multiple videos you can watch each day. The second video might pay 32 cents, the third 47 cents, and so on. Each one only requires 34 seconds of your time. Now, let's address a common concern: how to withdraw your earnings. This platform offers several options to ensure you can cash out, no matter where you are. 1. Western Union, available in most countries worldwide. 2. PayPal, works in many countries, but not all. If it's not available in your area, don't worry, we have other options. 3. Web money, a less common but still viable option. 4. Payoneer. This option allows for direct transfer to your bank account in most countries. Another great way to boost your earnings on this platform is through referrals. Share your unique referral link with friends and family. When they sign up using your link, you'll earn $1 instantly, and they'll get a $5 bonus. It's a win-win situation. But don't stop there. Consider sharing your referral link on your social media profiles or in online communities where people are interested in making extra money. Remember to always be transparent about what you're sharing and follow community guidelines. You could even create short, engaging content about your experience with the platform to attract more referrals. So, What's the name of this amazing platform? It's called WTOP.com. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, just click Get Started, set up your account, and start earning by watching YouTube videos. The sign-up process is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Make sure to use a valid email address as you'll need to verify your account. Once you're in, take some time to explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the video selection, the earning structure, and the referral program details. Remember, this is a legitimate opportunity to earn some extra cash doing something you likely already enjoy. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can provide a nice supplementary income stream with minimal effort. To maximize your earnings, try to make watching videos on WTOP.com a part of your daily routine. Maybe you can do it during your coffee break, while waiting for your laundry, or even as you wind down before bed. Consistency is key in accumulating earnings over time. Also keep in mind that the videos you'll be watching aren't just random content. They often include ads, product reviews, or informational content. While earning, you might actually learn something new or discover products you're interested in. Lastly, always remember to keep track of your earnings and withdraw them regularly. Set a goal for yourself. Maybe you want to earn enough for a nice dinner out each month, or perhaps you're saving up for a bigger purchase. Having a clear goal can help keep you motivated and make the most of this opportunity. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points. 1. Sign up for free and get an instant $5 bonus. 2. Watch short YouTube videos to earn money daily. 3. Each video takes only 34 seconds to watch. 4. Earn additional money by referring friends. 5. Multiple withdrawal options are available to suit different countries. 6. The platform is accessible worldwide. As with any online earning opportunity, it's important to approach this with realistic expectations. While the earnings per video may seem small, they can add up over time, especially if you're consistent and make use of the referral program. At WealthWalk, we're all about helping you find accessible ways to increase your income. This method of earning by watching YouTube videos is just one of many strategies we explore. Remember, small steps can lead to significant progress in your financial journey. Thank you for joining us today on WealthWalk. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. This way, you'll always be the first to know about new money-making opportunities we uncover. Do you have experience with this or similar platforms? We'd love to hear about it. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could be incredibly valuable to our community. Until next time, keep walking towards wealth, one step at a time. This is WealthWalk, signing off.